Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing. So you all know Oscillate was one of my favorite 613 companies. I had this little bomb pink look. I want to do that again. I actually ordered two 613 wigs from two different companies because I heard that some of you all had shipping issues with that wig. So I was like, let me find some more wigs. This wig is actually from BELISELF, so I ordered from them recently. I got 1B, I think it's a body wave wig from them. It came very fast, took like no time to come and all of that. I feel like their 613 would be bomb too. We are going to go ahead and open this package, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's go ahead and get into this video. I feel like this camera is hot. Okay, so once again, this wig is from BELISELF on ALIEXPRESS. I'm going to link it in the description box and all of that. The wig I'm wearing right now is from Kiss Love Hair. This is their deep wave wig. I love it, love it, love it. This is another company I really loved. So I was excited to try the 613 from really both of these, but I went with this one. So this is supposed to be a 30-inch, 250% density, 13x6 wig. So I'm going to see Nicki Minaj in a little bit. So I do want to do the whole pink wig look, at least for the day I see her. I actually ordered two 613 wigs. The other one I'm doing a separate video on. That one should be like, I think I ordered 36 inches. I'll do that video in a little bit. So let's go ahead and open this wig, see what we have here. I ordered this wig on May 23rd. Oh, once again, I didn't say this. I bought this wig with my own money, you all. This video is not sponsored. So make sure you subscribe and all of that to support me. But we're going to go ahead and open this wig now. So like I was saying, I don't know if I finished that statement. I ordered this wig May 23rd and it came May 26th. So it took 3 days. So that was like no freaking time. And a lot of you all had great experiences with BELISELF anyway. So I'm like, okay, this must be a really trustworthy AliExpress company. So let's see what we have here. Here's the pouch. You are the beautiful girl. Thank you. Oh, help me decide what color I should dye this wig. If I should dye this wig a color or do like a blonde 613 look. I never did that before. But let me know. The other one, I think the longer one is definitely going to be pink. But this one, I don't know what color I want to do. So definitely comment which color I should do. So it says 30 on there. It's looking good. It does have heaviness to it, so it's probably 250% density. I love my 250% density wigs. It came with a little edge brush, lashes, and a wig cap. I ordered 3 wigs at once. So I actually ordered 2 613 wigs and like a longer, like deep wave wig. Wait, did I? I might have ordered 4. I ordered a long deep wave wig and then a long like straight wig because I didn't know if I wanted to do the bust down middle part, Nicki looks, or pink. So here it is. It's in the little net right now. Looks really soft. Like this static is okay. So one thing about BELISELF, their lace is just bomb, you all. So let me try to focus in. Like, I don't really like this lighting. I'm trying to play around with it some. So when I focus in on this, I'm not gonna look good. So let's see. It looks really good and thick, like you see. It's giving and all of that. It looks long. I'm going to stand up. So I'm 5'7". Let me try to fix this lighting. I'm definitely gonna switch to one of my like professional cameras. I'm still recording on my phone right now. But let me stand up. My pants are too big for me. So I'm 5'7", and this is where the hair falls on me. So it does touch my butt. My little baby is over here growling a little bit. I'm gonna show you him. I just got him yesterday. Let me show y'all. He's half Chihuahua, half Pug. I got him from the Humane Society. Like, what? He's so sweet. He's the cutest little boy. So let me show you all the lace. So this is a 613. So one thing I also really liked about BELISELF is Their 13 by 4s are real 13 by 4s. Like, you get all this lace. A lot of companies now are trying to cheat you, and you get like 2 inches on the side and then like 4 inches in the middle or whatever. So I really like that. Now, they're 13 by 6s. They do give you like less space on the side, and you get the full 6 in the middle, but you can still do a side part and all of that. I haven't really found any kind of company that does like a full 13 by 6 in a while since the lace shortage in what, like 2020. So this is how much lace you get. It's a nice amount. It looks good. BELISELF's lace is actually really, really good too. So it's super easy to work with and all of that. So here's the wig. The ends are super thick all the way through. It's soft. So I'm really happy. I don't expect anything less from BELISELF because I love their hair. The problem was why I didn't wear it too long was the lace is like so delicate. I got one of their HD lace wigs. So the lace was so delicate to where when I was plucking the wig, I plucked so many holes in the wig. And one thing about me, like, holes just disgust me. I hate them. So I just did not want to wear that wig anymore. So it does have like little baby hairs on it and all that. That's kind of cutesy. I will probably be plucking them. And it also has small knots. Like, I didn't know this, but apparently people on TikTok who also do wig videos were saying a lot of people try to bleach knots on 613 wigs. Y'all, that's not necessary. That's not necessary at all, you guys. So let's not do that. It does make the hair shed a little more if you actually bleach the knots on these wigs. It's a very nice thickness. The color is really pretty. It's a normal 613, but this just looks, I don't know if it's the lighting, but it's giving to me. Like, it's glamorous. I love BELISELF. The only problem with them is I have been in this like 40-inch thing. Like, I really want my hair to be like 40 inches now. And they really only go up to like 30 or maybe 32. So that's really why I will still be buying from other companies. Since so many people have been having problems with obsolete shipping, BELISELF is definitely like number 2. I'm going to start saying that's my favorite and direct people to BELISELF instead of obsolete. I don't know. I would want to try like blonde, but I don't know if this works. Like, I don't know. We'll see how I feel. Let me know. I did have yellow dye at home. Someone recommended I do like a yellow wig or something. So that may be cute too, but this hair is just, look at that. Look at that. It's the ends. And some of you all do ask, like, no, when I order wigs, I don't tell them like, hey, I do YouTube videos, give me the best hair. I don't do that. All I say is, hey, do you all have the 250% density 13 by 6 30-inch wig in stock now? They say yes. And then I say, may I have a picture? Sometimes I ask for the picture. Like with BELISELF, I don't think I ask for the picture because I already trust them. I could just tone it and maybe do like a platinum or something. I don't know. We'll see. But let me know for sure. I'm running my fingers through it. There's no kind of shedding. It's vibrant. This is really good. If you have problems with obsolete, I think this may be your girl. But thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you for watching. See you all later. Bye, guys.